Hi, I received this pet cohesive bandage as a gift so I could show you how to use it. But I gotta tell you, I don't have pets. I use this in different ways. So let me show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you a lot of the different ways that you can use this. So this is what they look like. You get 8 rolls, and each one is a different color with the cute paws on it. Like I said, I don't have pets, but there are a lot of different ways that you can use this, because before I show you that, let me just show you the actual bandage itself. It's very stretchy and it's self-adhesive or self-cohesive, so it sticks on itself. There's no adhesive on this at all, so when you put it on something, you don't have to worry about a sticky residue left behind, because like I said, there's no adhesive on this. It sticks to itself. So let me show you a couple of the different ways that you can use this. Here I have it on a toothbrush, because this stuff just really has helps you with have a good grip. So we've got a toothbrush, we've got a pen, we've got a fork, and on the fork I wrapped it several times so that you could see you can make it a thicker handle, also easier to grip because of the fabric of itself. So, but if you need to have something bulky to hang on to, you just wrap it a few more times. I've got it on a drumstick. You could also do a golf club, a hockey stick, a pickleball paddle, tennis racket, any of those sporting equipment things. Here I also have it on a pill bottle. Makes it a lot easier. So if you have maybe someone in your life who has trouble getting bottles like this open, you could put some here and put some here. I also put it on a dumbbell to make it easier to grip. Another way that you can do this is you can put it on your lightning cable, your charging cable, wrap it around there to give it a little bit of security and stability. And then another really good way to use it is with like an ice pack. You can just put it on like this and then wrap it around like that. They are also easy to rip, and so then it's easy. It's not gonna pull his hairs when you pull this off. And so it just, lots of different uses. And of course, you're going to also be able to use this for, if you need to stabilize a finger like that. And also, of course, use it on your pet's limbs, because it's got little paw prints on it. So this is really nice. Lots of different ways that you can use this. I just gave you a few. You can get really creative with how you can use these, and you get 8 different colors. Thanks.